Volunteerism is our way of life. This is a statement that clearly shows the importance of being a volunteer in our lives. There are a few reasons why volunteerism can be beneficial to our overall way of life. Here are some benefits of volunteerism. 1. Creating community. Volunteering is an excellent way to be part of a community and help others by providing support and assistance. 2. Strengthening relationships. Volunteering can also help strengthening relationships with people or groups who are seeking assistance. 3. Recognizing diversity. By volunteering, we can get a better understanding of different kinds of people and cultures. 4. Encouraging responsibility. Volunteering can inspire us to take additional responsibilities in our own lives. 5. Creating opportunities. By volunteering, we can help create opportunities for our own personal and professional growth, as well as for others who are seeking assistance. Some people who would like to be volunteers. 1. Seeking opportunities for growth. Some people might be looking for opportunities to grow personally and professionally, and volunteering can be an excellent way to do so. 2. Liking the work. Some people have a passion for helping others, and volunteering can be an enjoyable way to stay active and make a positive impact. 3. Looking for a sense of purpose. Some people may want to find a sense of purpose and meaning in their lives, and volunteering can provide that. 4. Looking for a way to make a difference. Some people may feel that there is still so much to be done in the world, and volunteering can be an excellent way to make a positive difference in others' lives. 5. Seeking a way to connect with others. Some people may want to find a way to connect with others in their community, and volunteering can be a great way to do so. In summary, volunteering is a wonderful way to contribute to our overall way of life. It can help create a sense of community, create important opportunities for personal and professional growth, and help develop strong relationships with others. By becoming a volunteer, we can make a positive impact on the lives of others, while also finding our own sense of purpose and purpose in our lives.
Saan man makarating, isa ang aming adhikain. Pagtulong sa kapwa ang aming unahin. Ganyan ang kabalikat ni Malaya Philippines. Kabalikat ni Malaya Philippines. Responsibilidad namin, aming kakayanin, ang ating samahan, lagi nating patibayin. Ganyan ang kabalikat ng Malaya Philippines. Karangalan ay di ko ipagpapalit sa mga gawain na mali. Ako'y maglilingkod ng walang pasubali, pagkat sa aking puso tama ang nananaig. Kabalikat ng Malaya Philippines. Responsibilidad namin, aming kakayanin, ang ating samahan, lagi nating pagtibayin. Ganyan ang kabalikat ng Malaya Philippines. bayi. Ganyan ang kabalikat ni Malaya, Philippines.
May kasabihan, di baling manakawan ka na lang, wag nang masunugan, dahil pag nagkataon maaring wala talagang naiiwan sa'yo, ang lahat magiging abo. Ganun pa man, maswerte pa rin at ang mga kalapit kalye ng ating headquarters sa May Dalandan Saint, dahil ligtas ang mga residente maliban sa kanilang bahay at mga kagamitan. Dito pansamantalang nakasilong ang ating mga katropang taga-Talon 1 habang may inaayos pa ang lahat ng kailangan. Sa Barangay Covered Court ng Talon 1, Base 3 sila nakituloy sa mobile tent. Kasama ang mahigit 30 kapamilya na biktima ng sunog kamakailan lang last April 6, 2025. May kasamahan tayo sa Kabalikat.net na sana sila ay sasama during sa oath-taking ceremony sa Kapipisa, at hindi na tumuloy dahil sa alas 6 pa ng umaga nangyari ang trahedya. Pinangunahan ang pag-distribute ng mga goods sina Ma'am Raida Baracan, ang ating Nanay 01 National Advisor, at si Tatay 01, ang founding chairman at national president ng Kabalikat.net International Association Incorporated, at kasama ang hepe ng operations, si Sir Junji, at deputy nito si Sir 8K aka Junior Aninao, ang representative ng medic si Sir Jesse, at ang ating mga national officers, Ma'am Inday, Manhalimuyak, Sir Black Combate, Ma'am Evelyn, Ma'am Samia, at si Ma'am Lourdes. Naroon din si Ma'am Anesita Reambonans, ang Mrs. ang ating Kabalikat.net Governor ng Region 4A, si Dong Reambonanza. At higit sa lahat si Ma'am Malia Jane Baracan, ang Admin 01. Gusto ko ring ipaalam sa lahat na this is the first time na kasama natin ang bagong hirang na National Coordinator, si Ma'am Rodelyn Estoril. Naway magkaroon ka pa, Ma'am Rodelyn, ng maraming pagkakataon makasama bago ikaw magtungon sa iyong area of responsibility sa Cagayan Valley. Si Sir JV Dabu ay naroon din upang tayo ay be-assist sa pag-distribute.
National Admin 1 ng Kabalikatnet International Association. At kasama ko po si Ma'am Inday Jimenez, ang ating National Treasurer, Ma'am Raida Baracan, Alpha ni Tatay Owan, at si Ma'am Marilyn Sulapas, ang ating National Monitoring Admin. At nandito po kami ngayon, katatapos lang po namin mag-repack. Alam naman po natin na merong nasunugan malapit sa ating national headquarters at 32 families po ang naapektuhan. Kaya ang ating Tatay Owan ay nagdesisyon na mangolekta ng mga 10,800. Tayo po ay nakalipit ng 10,800. At sa akin pong likuran, ilang yan mo? Ang laman ay
sardinas at saka mga biskuit, kape.
ayun. So,
Ito ang laman ng ating pangko.
opo, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-donate. At bukas po, ng anong oras ba?
10 a.m.
Okay. 10 o'clock in the morning, amin na po itong ipamimigay sa mga nasunugan sa Talon. Yun lang po.
Bye!